Hey everyone, so this video is going to walk you through Driver Anywhere for us. So when we dispatch a run to you, it will come in obviously to your DA. If you have your app open, it's going to send you a notification in DA first. You will get a text message as well, which is nice if you have your app closed. So you can view the job and you just kind of scroll through and look at everything. See who the person is, you can see the amount and kind of look at all of the details around it. And then you can go back to your pending and you would just click on your pending and accept the reservation if you want it. If you don't, you can reject it and it will just come back to us that you're not able to do it. Then it will move over into your upcoming, and what we want you to do the night before is go into your upcoming reservations and click on what's called the task card, which is actually like the area where you see the pickup and the drop off, and it will take you to the more details or the job details page. And in here you can click on the name of the client, like that one, and hit a message, and then you can type out your confirmation message from there directly from your phone. And so you'll just type your message kind of like Tim is doing here, and he's just going to text this and it comes directly from his phone. And so the text goes out. Then you just go back to the app, and this is kind of where things might be a little bit different. So you're going to hit change status, and this is all done the night before, and you're going to go to other, and then you're going to click driver confirmed. And what that does is it sends a follow-up email to the client, and it also changes the status on our end in our system so that we can see that you're confirmed. That's kind of like the double stars. So that's the calendar double stars. Then the day of, you go ahead when you head out for the day and you hit start trip. And once you start trip, it changes your status to what's called on the way. So you can do that when you leave your house or when you are on your way to pick up the client. And then the next status you're going to select is you just change status when you are arrived. And so you'll click the current status button again where it says on the way, and you can do arrived. Circling is an option, but you don't need to do that one. I don't think very many people will use that one. And so arrived just lets the guest doesn't get a message when you hit arrived, by the way. We don't have that set up that way. So it just lets us know that you've arrived. And then the next one would be customer in car. And so once you've gotten the customer in the car and you're heading to their destination, then you would say customer in car. And then your next one after that is going to be, let's see if it will pop up here in just a second. So after customer in car, you change your status. I believe it's dropped off. Yep. So you're going to just indicate that you dropped off the passenger. And this is where you get two options. You can request review or you can say done. Request review will send a text message to the client asking them to review Haul Utah Transportation. And it's a really short, quick little text with a link. Or if you don't feel like they might, if they might not give a good review or things didn't go like perfect, you can always just say done. And then for this reservation, it actually takes you to a finalize, and you have to go all the way down to the bottom and click the orange little box with the check mark in it. For this reservation, it wasn't prepaid, so this is just letting the driver know that they need to collect. And so you can, hit barter or cash or credit card offline. So if you do have to collect, you can just say credit card offline. Tim just hit barter to kind of be funny. He's going to put cash, but if you do credit card offline, then you can just do Square and collect the money on our Square app. You can have the client sign so that you have a signature that they did pay, and then you just again hit the orange box with the check mark, and everything's finished, and you hit your check box again, and now you're completely done. So you do have to go through all of those steps. So just request review doesn't quite finish it. So hopefully that helps. We want to make sure everybody hits driver confirmed when they confirm the night before. That's really, really important. That's like the double stars in the calendar. And so as we move away from Driver Anywhere, from the calendar, we're going to want to make sure that everybody hits that driver confirm the night before when they've done their confirmation with their clients. Thanks.